Good morning everyone and welcome to your channel for another day. In today's video we are going to talk about how to hack with Google. So if you want to know how they do it and that way be protected, this is your video. First of all, I would like to make a small clarification. In this video, I am going to explain a series of techniques that cybercriminals use, and what I expect from you is that you learn these techniques to protect yourself. At no time my intention is to promote cybercrime, because remember that hackers are those people who use their knowledge to do good on the internet. And with that said, let's get started. It is true that Google is a super used tool to perform searches on the internet, but did you know that there are a number of parameters to perform very advanced searches? With these commands, what we can do is perform searches on specific pages using Google or directly search for a series of specific files, in addition, of course, to many other things. In addition, these commands can be combined to make Google show you sensitive information from some web pages, such as user passwords or entire databases. In fact, Google is aware of its own power using these commands. So if you use a lot of searches with these commands, Google may even block your search temporarily. So be very careful when using these commands and always use your head. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 vulnerabilities that can be attacked from Google. 2 for web pages and 1 for personal data. The first one is used to search for files with users and passwords. You should know that many web pages have their own credentials within the same web page. If you are a web programmer and you are watching this video, you already know that you should never do something like this. Therefore, administrator users and passwords can be seen from Google without even logging into the website. What you should look for in Google are files that have .wd or txt extension, and that the title of this file is something like users, passwords, administrators, or something like that. Here, what you create yourselves, you have to put a little bit of imagination. So using this search here, you will have over 1,100 web pages with this vulnerability. Number 2, look for database backups. In case you don't know, I'll explain it to you. Normally the web pages all have a database, and it is convenient to make backups from time to time, and this is fine. The problem comes when we save that same backup in the same folder of the web page, without realizing that Google can find this database, since normally the backups are made in a TXT or SQL file, and it is text that can be read easily. So by performing this search here, we can get hundreds of database copies that currently contain users, password, and all the data that you can imagine. Before I show you the last vulnerability, I will tell you that there are many open doors from Google. And I'm going to show you in this video only 3. If you like what you are seeing, I recommend that you leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. If this video reaches approximately 300 likes, you will get this video part 2, in which I will teach you many more techniques using Google. Let's go with the last vulnerability of this video, and it is the attack on personal data, because it doesn't matter if you have a website or an online project, anyone can be a victim of this attack. Maybe right now you are not aware that there is a place on the internet where all your personal data are, what your name is, what is your phone number, your email, or even where you live. I leave you 3 seconds to think about where it could be, and no, it is not the social networks. You already have it, don't you? Well, that site is your resume. Indeed, you can search for resumes on the internet, and in this way get all your personal information. What we have to search in Google are pages that have as a title or resume or whatever they say in your region, and that this page contains texts such as email, phone, address, or all the series of things that are usually put in the resumes. So by doing this simple search here, you will be able to find hundreds of resumes and all the information that can be found inside them. So please be very careful where you upload your resume, because as we are learning in this channel, the internet is not as safe as it should be. And that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, please leave a like, a comment, and if you like online security, you can subscribe to my channel. I upload a video approximately every week. See you in the next video. Ciao!